Hey guys, as soon as you buy a new laptop, you don't know which apps to install, which softwares you might need for photo editing, for image processing, and everything, etc. like that. So here's the thing: I'm gonna show you a website where you can download all your basic needs. I mean, basic laptop needs or your PC needs in just a click. Not in a click, but in 3 clicks. You need to select them, right? And there you go. Just go to the ninite.com ninite.com website, and there you'll find all the softwares and applications you might need in your laptop or PC. Just select whatever you need. It'll have all the lists from basic browsers to image processing softwares. So just select them. Go down the website, and there you'll find an option, get your ninite. Just click on it, and it will take you into new page. There you can see all the apps you have selected, and it will take a while to process, and that's it. It will download as soon as possible in just a file, and you just need to click it just like any app installing process. Just click it, and that's it. It will install all the apps in a single click. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.